some cornmeal porridge and hardware bread. Come, let's make it together. Alright, we're going with 2 cups of water. And then I'm gonna add 1 more cup. To that we got some cinnamon leaf, and then we're going with a pinch of salt. And now we're going with 1 cup of refined cornmeal. Alright, so now we're going with some water, and the water depends on how thick or how thin you want your porridge, or if you want it in between, right? So that's how you measure the water to the cornmeal. Alright, so this is 1.5 cups. Make a pour in almost a whole lot, just to figure out. Alright, so me don't want my porridge too thin, so this is okay. If you want it thicker, you'd use less. So this is not too thin, not too thick. You just combine that together. Now once the water starts boiling, we're gonna make sure we stir this again. And oops, shit, 14. And then we're gonna constantly stir the pot. And this is important to keep stirring until you see it start like get thick. And when I drop it in, you see one lump, you know. See if that will come out. If not, we have to look for it and pick it out. So it's on medium, a little bit below medium. And guys, also remember I'm gonna add coconut milk to it, so it's gonna be a little thinner than this. And also if you add it to it and you see it too thick, you can go in with some more water. Alright, so I think everything is combined nicely. So we're gonna allow this for go and do it thing. However, make sure so the cornmeal cook also. And that's the thing about cornmeal porridge, it takes a little more time than regular oats or plantain, because we have to make sure the cornmeal cook properly. Them say so that it not hurt your belly. Alright. So we're gonna allow this to go and pop a little. Alright, we have 1/2 cup of water. I'm gonna add some coconut milk powder to that. And to me, porridge come like fried dumpling to me. I don't have a set measurement, you know, and I'm only doing measurement because I'm showing you guys. Usually I just eyeball everything and just work with it. So measurement new to me, like oh, it might be new to some of you guys when making porridge. Alright, so coconut milk. Also adding some vanilla raspberry to mine. And this is optional, guys. This is not a must. And if you have any natural coconut milk, that's good also. And nobody worry about the amount, because we still have a sweetening this with sugar and some condensed milk. Alright, so we just want to whisk it until until it's smooth. Just last until every lump come out, but just mix it until it's smooth. Alright? We're going with the coconut milk now because I want the coconut to cook properly also. So I'm gonna add it while the cornmeal cooking. we'll just combine this properly. Alright, so we incorporate everything, get everything combined together nicely. And guys, if you don't want to put in the nutmeg, you can go in the same time. So you could also go into the water when we just start boiling the water from the beginning. Alright, once you realize everything combined nicely, you can go again, leave it for next, like you can go in occasionally and stir it so that it don't lump. Right, and exercise this, you know. Alright, so this look nice. We'll allow this again. So I give this 5 minutes and then we'll come back. And one more thing, guys, keep a bowl or a cup with water, so you can just keep a whisk in it so you can keep it clean, right? Because if it lump upon this and you add it to the pot, it'll drop off in the pot. So keep a bowl of water, and so you use it to just rinse it off. If you have to change it, change it. Okay, now we're gonna add some nutmeg to the pot. I'm using about half. Let me show you the size. Should I show you before I grate it? But yeah, I use about half, right? Alright. I'll rinse off the spoon again. I'll go back in, combine. Alright, so now we are going with the condensed milk. If you want, you can go ahead and add some powdered cinnamon in it, but because I have the cinnamon leaf, I'm not going in with any cinnamon powder. We're gonna add condensed milk. So we're going with we're going with a spoonful of sugar. With clean whisk, and then we're gonna combine. Alright, so once you mix it in properly, you can go in now and taste it and decide if you're going to add any milk or sugar to it. Normally, when we do this, we normally just leave it, and whosoever share their serving can add to the porridge if they want more, because it's not everybody like them porridge sweet, and it's not everybody like them porridge fresh. So we just allow the person who is drinking the porridge, or whoever drinking the porridge, to make them decision on how sweet they want their porridge. So we just like barely sweeten it, and then make everybody else go ahead and do for them thing. Okay. So if you want the porridge thinner, you can always add water, not at this point but earlier. And if this is okay, then this is the final result. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you the thickness of the porridge. As I said earlier, if you want it thinner, you could add a little more water. Okay, so this is the final result, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one.